Let Vittal confirm first.
Hello everyone, my name is Hyacinth Agyar and I welcome you to the final webinar of this fascinating series on forests and their people. The first two webinars of these series can be accessed as IGTV videos on my Mole's Instagram handle. So Forests and Their People is one of the many fun and interactive learning series brought to you by Amche Mole, the strongest thriving movement established by the researchers, artists, and many young minds of the 21st century Goa to save their age-old forests from destruction. As forest-dwelling communities share a close-knit relationship with their forests and play an immense role in their conservation, this series was designed to unveil several stories originating from the depths of Goa's forests. And these stories get all the more exciting when narrated by women. So here's introducing the last speaker for this series, Mrs. Purnima Kherkar, a teacher, a researcher, and a storyteller from KV Sattari, Goa. Mrs. Kherkar is the president of Vivekanand Sahitya Sanskriti Abhivruddhi Manch KV, which is working for a decade in the fields of Goa's literature and folk art. She is also a committee member on various platforms such as the Folklore Committee of Goa Kala Academy, Program Committee of West Zone Cultural Center, Udaipur, the Executive Council of Goa Marathi Academy, Indira Gandhi Cultural Center Goa Unit, State Cultural Award Selection Committee by the Directorate of Art and Culture. She is the president of Vivekanand Prerna Pratishthan, KD, a trust working towards enriching the mental health of students of Goa and border areas of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Based on her research, she has written documentary films for Goa Doordarshan entitled Lok Gangecha Pravahat and Govatil Fugudi. She has produced a special program on varied facets of eco-feministic tradition of Goa's Fugri for the daily Goan Varta at Rajiv Kala Mandir, Fonda in 2018. She is also the recipient of fellowships by the Ministry of Culture, the A.K. Priolkar Scholarship and awards such as the B.B. Borkar Award and the Sanctuary Asia Award. She has written books on poetry, traditional folklore and dance forms and contributes columns to several Marathi dailies. Mrs. Kherkar has imparted training to numerous women groups in Goa in Goan folk dances, and I must say she's truly a boon to Goa's folk art and culture. In her presentation today, she'll be highlighting the association of folk communities with the forest. She'll take us through the folk deities and folk festivals, traditions rooted in the floral and faunal belt of Goa's forest. So I'm sure there's going to be a lot of interesting discussion at the end of the session, and I'd like to tell you to kindly leave your questions or comments in the chat box. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Can I start?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Good evening to the team of Amche Mole and also those who are present here to make my evening very grateful. Today, our nation is celebrating 75th anniversary of independence. On this auspicious day, I'm wishing you, all of you, a happy Independence Day. Here, I am proceeding towards my lecture, Forests and Their People. चित्त माझे डोंगरी ग चित्त माझे माहेरी चित्त माझे डोंगरी ग चित्त माझे माहेरी आई माझी चिंता करी लेक जाई माने आई माझी चिंता करी लेक आहे एकटी नाही आई एकटी मी सासू आहे संगती नाही आई एकटी मी सासू आहे संगती शेत माझे डोंगरी ग चित्त माझे माहेरी शेत माझे डोंगरी ग चित्त माझे माहेरी बाप माझा चिंता करी लेक आहे एकटी बाप माझा चिंता करी लेक माझे एकटी नाही बाप्पा एकटी मी, सासरा आहे संगती. नाही बाप्पा एकटी मी, सासरा आहे संगती. Good evening. Forest plays a significant role in the existence of life. Human beings are closely related with the forest since the time immemorial. Forest is a unique ecosystem that provides food, fodder, and fuel to the human being, and that is why India's culture gives more importance to the forest. When the water emerges on the earth, algae were grown, which eventually results in the forest. Here we can see the Bherlo Mart. Bherlo Mart is having a very much beautiful tradition in our village. This is having a culture, and also this Bherlo Mart is using to decorate in different types of rituals in wedding ceremony also. So trees plays an important role in our life, in human beings' life. Here we can see the jackfruit trees. Jackfruit trees wood is very much important in our traditional life. With the help of that wood, our peoples are making different types of utensils, furnitures like dauli man, which is used in kitchen from traditional. Which dauli man is also having different types of songs with related to dauli man.
दौले मणीचा वाजप, दौले मणीचा वाजप, दौले मणीचा वाजप, दौले मणीचा वाजप. गणोबा बसला मखरात, गणोबा बसला मखरात. त्याचो हुनराचो वारू, त्याचो हुनराचो वारू. दौले मणीचा वाजप, दौले मणीचा वाजप. महादेव बसला मखरात, महादेव बसला मखरात. दौले मणीचा वाजप, दौले मणीचा वाजप. आमची गौर गोकुळात, आमची गौर गोकुळात. दौले मणीचा वाजप, दौले मणीचा वाजप. तुळस मातानी भरत, तुळस मातानी भरत. दौले मणीचा वाजप, दौले मणीचा वाजप. दौले मणीचा वाजप, दौले मणीचा वाजप. The jackfruits is having from outside the thorns are there, and in the village most of the time people are used to say that if suppose there is a person which is looking outside arrogant and inside with their heart is okay good, then the people are saying that that person is like the jackfruit, because from outside he is arrogant but he is having a kind heart, that jackfruit like. So your jackfruit is very near, very close to our ancestral. When otter comes, the algae were grown eventually, and that's become the forest. In to relate it, this otter, there are so many songs. भरली चंद्रभागा, भरली चंद्रभागा.
गुण बुडलो लहान थोर, बुडलो लहान थोर.
लाखाचा पीतांबर,
लाखाचा पीतांबर. जनी उमळीता पायावर, उमळीता पायावर, उमळीता पायावर. भरली चंद्रभागा, भरली चंद्रभागा. Chandrabhaga is the name of the river. Forest is necessary for our survival. From the air we breathe to the forest resources we use. Besides providing habitats for animals and livelihood for humans, forest also gives watershed protection, prevent soil erosion, and make our life happy. Agriculture was the discovery of the women during the New Stone Age period. After getting inspiration From sprouting of the plant, from the seed, the women were responsible for growing it and the result in agriculture. In Goa, one can see evidences of the prehistoric culture on the bank of the river Kushavati in Riona, Sangem Taluka.
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
पाऊला धरूया,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
पाऊला धरितो,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
धोपार धरूया,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
धोपार धरिता,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
कमर धरूया,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
कमर धरितो,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
भुजा मोडूया,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
भुजा मोडितो,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
टकमक बघता,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
टकमक बघता,
ये रे माझ्या मोरुल्या,
उडान जाऊया,
उडान जाऊया,
उडान जाऊया.
उडान जाऊया.
Here in our slide, we can see the picture of peacock more. In Maushi, in Sattari Taluka, the rock art throws the light on the life of Neolithic man. How he was responsible for domesticating the wild animals. The wild bull was domesticated by the prehistoric man, and that is why one can see number of images of the bulls in the rock art of the Mausi village. चाफ्यार कोण घे चढला, चाफ्यार कोण घे चढला, चाफ्यार विठ्ठल चढला, चाफ्यार विठ्ठल चढला,
चाफो फुल्ला दमदम पडला, कोणगेचा फेर चढलं, कोणगेचा फेर चढलं, राष्ट्रोळी चढला त्याच्या मुखार दमदम पडला, की त्याच्या मुखार दमदम पडला, चाफो फुल्ला दमदम पडला, कोणगेचा फेर चढलो, कोणगेचा फेर चढलो, तळीकर चढला त्याच्या मुखार दमदम पडला, की त्याच्या मुखार दमदम पडला.
Goa is a beautiful land where people began to worship trees as they sustain the life by providing oxygen of human beings. Tree roots are responsible for absorbing rainwater and recharging the groundwater table. That is why in festival, one can see the reference to the Vanadevata, the forest goddess. Vanadevata is the deity whom the women urge to come with them for playing folk dances in Dhalotso. Dhalo is a folk dance of Goa. In Dhalotso, the women are singing,
कार्तिक महिना मालनी पुण्य आनंद झाला गे,
मालनी पुण्य आनंद झाला गे, झाल्या बरा झाला,
सखया साध
घाला गे, सखया साध घाला गे. कार्तिक महिना मालनी पुण्य आनंद झाला गे, मालनी पुण्य आनंद झाला गे, झाला बरा झाला, तुळशी माती आम्ही हाडू गे, तुळशी पेढी आम्ही बालू गे.
कार्तिक
महिना मालनी पुण्य आनंद झाला गे, मालनी पुण्य आनंद झाला गे, झाल्या बरा झाला,
तुळशी रोप आम्ही लावू गे,
तुळशी रोटी आम्ही भरू गे, तुळशी भोमन आम्ही करू गे. कार्तिक महिना मालनी पुण्य आनंद झाला गे, मालनी पुण्य आनंद झाला गे, झाल्या बरा झाला, सखया साध घाला गे, सखया साध घाला गे. हाडिले नारळ ओतिले मानार, केली 5 वळी गे, केली 5 वळी गे. वनदेवता माया मानार येता, खेळोक दिल्या मळी गे, खेळोक दिल्या मळी गे. हाडिले नारळ ओतिले मानार, केली 5 वळी गे, केली 5 वळी गे. दतरी माया मानार येता, खेळोक दिल्या मळी गे, खेळोक दिल्या मळी गे. This Dhalo is the festival of Dhartari Maya and Vanadevata. Vanadevata is the deity of forest. This festival makes reference to the different types of the trees in their folk songs, through which the women enact and they express their gratitude to the Mother Earth and also to the forest deity. In our screen, we can see the mango tree. दारातलो आमो घेतो तवरानी डोले घेतो तवरानी डोले गे सातेरी माया मनार येता परसादी बोले गे परसादी बोले गे दारातलो आमो घेतो तवरानी डोले गे तो तवरानी डोले गे मनार येता परसादी बोलेगे परसादी बोलेगे. At Pansaimor in Sangam, one can see number of rock carving showcasing the bison, zebu, antelopes, and many more animals. These animals were there in surrounding, and that is why the prehistoric man carved them as he was surprised to see their movements during the stage of hunting and food gathering when he was moving into the forest. He, through the hunting, consumes the meat, but in spite of that, different customs, traditions emerges out, and he started showing respect to these all animals. The tree play very important role, and that is why early in the morning, the Goan Hindu woman expresses the gratitude to the basil plant by reciting the song. दारातले तुळशी गे पानन पान फुलशी गे पानन पान फुलशी कपाळाच्या कुंकवासाठी किती लोक वनवासी गे किती लोक वनवासी दारातले तुळशी गे पानन पान फुलशी गे पानन पान फुलशी गळ्यातल्या मण्यासाठी किती लोक वनवासी गे किती लोक वनवासी दारातले तुळशी गे पानन पान फुलशी गे पानन पान फुलशी पायातल्या जोडव्यासाठी किती लोक वनवासी गे किती लोक वनवासी दारातले तुळशी गे पानन पान फुलशी गे पानन पान फुलशी. Tulas is the symbol of Mother Earth and the representation of forest. Dillo festival that is celebrated. Dillo festival that is celebrated from the Dasara to Diwali by the unmarried tribal Vedi women. That tells us the relationship of the woman with the Mother Earth, as she has the ability of procreation, and also the earth is the symbol of creativity. They respect the relationship by taking the clay of the anthill or the soil in the vicinity. They make one spherical shape entity and decorate it with the seasonal wild flowers and sung the songs like
आकरी पाकरी दिल्या तुझी चाकरी आकरी पाकरी दिल्या तुझी चाकरी या दिल्या एकसा देव तांदूळसा देव तांदूळसा देऊन दिल्या हाडतो रुजवाडा आकरी पाकरी दिल्या तुझी चाकरी आकरी पाकरी दिल्या तुझी चाकरी या दिल्या एकसा देव मातीचा देव माती साऊन दिल्या हाडतो रुजवाडा आकरी पाकरी दिल्या तुझी चाकरी आकरी पाकरी दिल्या तुझी चाकरी
आकरी पाकरी दिल्या तुझी चाकरी. During the Shigmo festival, the male folk recite melodious folk songs. Many of these folk songs has the reference of indigenous trees like Kumyo. Shigmo song express respect for the Kumyo tree.
शिगम्या मयन्या देवाच्यो करुल्यो कुमयो पालाल्यो धुरल्यो तापला घामही फुटला ओ रामा देवाच्या दारान चाफाही लाविला त्याची रे हिरवी पाना आणि पिवळी फुलला त्याची रे गुंतला हार आणि करुल्यो मायेक घातला रामा करुल्यो मायेक घातिला.
During the time of the holy festival, there is a tradition bringing the trunk of the tree and worshipping it. During olden time, the people were felling just one tree and taking care of the forest. But today, we are felling the trees and hardly planting new ones. The Dhangar community of Goa is a pastoral community. During the olden time, they were living inside the forest and they were domesticating buffaloes. So, most of the folk dances of this community have been influenced by the behavioral patterns of the buffaloes. The woman recites the folk song that makes reference to the environment in our surroundings.
खडकच पाणी नी डोंगरचा पाला डोंगरचा पाला दे दादा राजाळ मस नाही बहिणी राजाळ मस राजाळ मस बहिणी आईबाच देन वाटीवरल्या वडाची वाटगुळी पाना हिरव्या रानाच पिवळ ठस गौराई मन माझ मायार दिस झाल्यार येऊन जागेले की गळ्यातला डोर येऊन जागेले की हिरव्या पानाचं पिवळ ठस गौराई मन माझ मायार दिस झाल्या येऊन जागेले की कानातला कापा तू लिहून जागेले की
हिरव्या रानाच
पिवळ ठस
गौराई
मन माझ मायार दिस
These songs remember us about the ecological role played by the banyan tree in the cultural life of the community. This tree has more significance among the Dhangar community. Dasara is one of the important festivals that express their love for the surrounding nature. They will make use of the leaves of Kudo and also of Sandiudo for making their offering to their ancestors, as well as to the Mahalsi Pandar, the mother goddess. Among the forest dweller Bedi community, on the full moon day of Ashad, the 4th month of the lunar calendar, they will make use of leaves of the Karmal tree for making offering of the food on this day to their clan as well as village deity. Tiger is the apex of the food chain. During olden time, people feared tiger, but they protected it. There was feeling that the tiger would not attack them and their family members and also cattle. That is why they considered tiger as the god and worshipped tiger as a folk deity. In Goa, mostly in the Western Ghats, one can see the prominent tradition of tiger worship. When tiger is there in the forest, people were aware that tiger will exercise check on herbivorous animal. Many of the shrines of the tigers are there in Goa, and there are the rituals annually done in appease the tiger god. In the Shigmo festival in Taide village of the Harbandoda, the folk artists perform Wagha Khe. All this tradition tells us the relationship with the forest and the wild animals. The honey was considered as a delicacy. When huge honeycombs were there hanging on the trees, it was used by sloth bears and other animals as the food. The tribal Velip used to remove the honey, but while removing honey, they were taking care of not destroying honeybees. During the night time, they will go underneath and light the fire. When the fire was there, immediately the honeybees will leave the honeycomb and then tribal will remove the honey. Collected honey was not used by individually, but it was distributed among all the villagers, or the honey was sold, and whatever money they were getting, it was used for the betterment of the community and the village. Today, we are making widely use of allopathic medicines, but during olden time, people are using the herbs, root, shoots, leaves, and fruits for preparing the medicines. In Kankona, there is a village called Khotigaon, where the tradition of ethnobotany is there. The tribals have immense knowledge of the folklore and traditional medicines, and they will give these medicines for curing during the diseases. Like other parts of India, Goa too has the tradition of sacred groves.
वैले डोंगरी गे बाई वैले डोंगरी रान कपिला उसके चे गे बाई रान कपिला उसके चे देऊळ बानीला बसके चे गे बाई देऊळ बानीला बसके चे वैले डोंगरी गे बाई वैले डोंगरी रान कपिला पळसाचे गे बाई रान कपिला पळसाचे देऊळ बांधिला कळसाचे गे बाई देऊळ बांधिला कळसाचे वैले डोंगरी गे बाई वैले डोंगरी वैले डोंगरी गे बाई वैले डोंगरी.
Goan call these sacred groves as Devrai, Devadano, Paikapan. Not only the trees, but all forms of the wild animal, as well as non-living things inside the sacred groves are protected by the community through the tradition. This community conserved forested areas protected in the name of the folk deities. Different festivals, traditions have been associated with this institution. The state tree of Goa, Matti, also known as the crocodile bark tree, especially significance in the socio-cultural life of the Goan. During the Ganesh Chaturthi celebration, the wooden canopy over the head of the Lord Ganpati is decorated with the seasonal floral wealth in which flowers of Matti have important place. नजर माझी गेली माठ्येवरी नजर माझी गेली माठ्येवरी मट्टी वासून माटी शोभेना रे देवा मट्टी वासून माटी शोभेना रे देवा नजर माझी गेली माठ्येवरी नजर माझी गेली माठ्येवरी. Mangroves are the vegetarian that plays important role in ecological role by offering protection to our land, life, and livelihood. They are silt trappers, the cyclone breakers, and flood controller. In Surla of Bicholim in the Shigmo song, there is a reference to mangrove vegetation. एका
समुद्राचे तिरी बाग कांदळीचे बेट कांदळा कुटीत गेली सवाशीण नार एका समुद्राचे तिरी बाग कांदळीचे बेट कांदळा कुटीत गेली सवाशीण नार.
Traditions have been associated in different living in the harmony with nature has been an integral part of the Goan culture that has been reflected through the folk beliefs and traditions. They attribute supernatural powers to plant, animals, and various elements of nature in the forest. We have to maintain our cultural practices that are emphasizing ecologically sound relationship with nature There is a need to protect a long tradition and belief in conservation of the nature for our survival in the era climate change and global warming. Thank you. It's my pleasure to be with you, Amche Molem Group. Today is the date of great honor. Our nation is completed his 75th year of independence. This is the proud moment to each and every Indian. On this remarkable day, Amche Molem Group make me to speak in front of you people. This is the immemorable moment in my life. Nation consists of people and with their efforts. Goa is a beautiful state of India, though it is small, but having a rich flora and fauna, evergreen forest. But in the name of development, we are destroying our evergreen forest. I congratulate Amche Molem team that they put an efforts to make awareness to save the forest, nature and environment. I thanks from the bottom of my heart. In the words of Abdul Kalam, I used to say, if you salute your duty, you need not to salute anybody, but if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. Thank you.
Wow, ma'am, this was like Forest and the People and Earth Songs for Mole combined in one session. Thank you so much for such a vibrant session. It couldn't get better than this. Thanks a lot. So we have a few questions in this. Yeah, somebody wants to know who was singing in the background.
She's my student, Shubhada Chari.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's done a wonderful job along with you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. We don't have any questions as of now, but we have a lot of comments, ma'am. We have Gabriela and Chandru saying that the talk was amazing and informative, and Swabu saying that it was an insightful session, and they all thanking you. And yeah, this presentation will be available on my Mole's Instagram handle as an IGTV video. Yeah, so Gabriela asks, ma'am, can we know more about sacred groves and how many sacred groves we have in Goa?
There are many sacred groves.
We had a session on sacred groves. The first session was of the series was more about sacred groves, and Sir Rajendra Kerkar has also spoken. Yeah.
On sacred grove, there is one book written by Rajendra Kerkar, published by Biodiversity Board. Yeah, Sacred Groves of Goa. Hello.
So do we have any more questions, ma'am?
Yeah, I would actually like to ask a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, ma'am. That was a lovely performance. Even everybody else who was singing with you. I wanted to know that, do you know where we could find these communities where all of these traditions and folk songs and whatever they're practicing
Which
is still
community, ma'am?
intact? So you mentioned the Vedip and the
Hello.
Dhangar community.
Dhangar and Vedip community, no?
Yeah.
We can see Dhangar community all over Goa. Yeah,
Right.
except Madgaon. And even in Velip community in Sange, Kankon, Kepe.
So are these traditions and the folk songs and everything still intact? Like
Yeah,
I want
yeah.
to ask if they're still practicing what they are
Yeah,
singing
yeah.
about.
Dillo, they are till today they are practicing Dillo.
Okay.
Yeah. Most of the in yeah, from Dasra to Diwali, they are performing this Dillo. Especially Velip women they are performing. There are few villages in which they are performing up on the hill that is called as Devadano. म्हणजे आयजूय ती वयर म्हणजे देवादाणो असे डोंगर असतात त्या डोंगराचेर थोडे गाव जे असतात ते डोंगराचेर वचून परफॉर्म करतात दॅट दिल्लो.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Mashmi. Do we have any more questions?
In my village, no, in Keri village, there is one of the largest Devrai, Azobachi Rai.
Lovely. Ma'am, we have a question from Swabhu. I wanted to ask, as the landscapes of Goa slowly get urbanized and developed, do you think the stories and myths of our world will change too? And what can be the role of these stories and traditions to help connect us back to the natural world?
Madam, please pardon, I can't get it.
Yes. Ma'am, he's asking, as the landscapes of Goa is changing, it's getting urbanized. Do you think these stories, like the traditional stories, will change too,
Yeah.
along with the changing and developing
Yes,
world?
yes, of course, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
But till today, a few villages are performing. Just now I told about the tradition of Vaga Khed
Yeah.
regarding the tiger.
Mhm.
टायगर जेन्ना असता जंगलान तेन्ना ते जंगल बरें सेफ उरता.
Mhm.
पण जेन्ना आमी टायगराकूच मारता तेन्ना जंगल आमी पयलीं नश्ट केल्ले असता. जर जंगल ना जाल्यार आमकां उदक मेळचें ना आनी जंगलाची पुजा जंगल राखून दवरलेले आसा हे केन्ना कळटा तर आमी आयजूय जेन्ना गांवान वयता धारबांदोडा देर इज वन विलेज कॉल्ड तैडे. आयजूय शिगम्याच्या दिसा इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च ते कितें करतात ती वाघाचे पूजन करता आणि वाघा खेळ खेळ वाघाचे रुपडे घालता आणि वाघाचे नृत्य करता. आणि त्यांच्या जाणट्यांक जेन्ना विचारले तेन्ना ते जाणटे हांगासर वाघ असले पण ते वाघ आमच्या लोकांक कांयच करिनासले तेंका तेंची आमी पुजा करताले म्हणजे वाघ एज अ फ्रेंड तेंचो आसलो. म्हणजे सुरवातीक मनीस आणि सगळे जनावरां जावं जंगल हे एकीच कडेन आसले की ते डिफरंट अशे समजनासले. Human
So,
beings
ma'am, where these songs are being practiced.
they're closely related with the forest and animals,
Yeah.
different types of trees, flora and fauna. This story, even
So
that
you can.
Dhalo song also, no, these are the Dhalo Geet. Dhalo means a folk dance of Goa. There are two folk dances of Goa, Dhalo and Fugdi, which are performed by the women only. In Dhalo, fully Dhalo folk dance is related to Vana Devata. Vana means jungle, forest deity. That folk dance is fully related with the forest deity. Yeah.
So, ma'am, would you say that in areas where there is folk dances and cultures are practiced more, forests are, you could relate it to the forest being preserved, right? I mean,
Yeah,
where we have more tradition going
whole
on.
Goa is related with, but because of
Conservation.
urbanization, the tradition is little bit changes. But in Sattari, Bicholi also, Sattari, Bicholi, Sange, Kepe, Kankon, these are the talukas where we can see in the month of Falgun, that is in the month of March, February, March, April, we can see the traditional Goa. different type of cultures we can see in these months.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely.
या म्हणजे पुराय वर्ष जे आसा सुरवातीपासून फ्रॉम जानेवारी टू एंड सदांच आमच्या गोंयान कितें ना कितें चालू असता. आमी जर काणकोणा गेली, केप्यां गेली जाल्यार थंय सामके रिमोट एरियेन आमकां पळयतले की लोकसंगीत, लोकगितां, जाते जे आसा, जात्या वयल्यो होंवयो, देर आर म्हणजे जात्या वयल्यो होंवयो जे आसा ते जर आमी पळयले न्हू जाल्यार भितर एक पोएम दिसता, आमकां कविता दिसता. सगळे जे कितें आमचे त्या पावसाच्या दिसांनी कितें चल्ला, पावस पडटा, मागीर कशी पिकां येता, ह्या सगळ्यांचे वर्णन भितर आसा. जंगल कशें तयार जाल्ले आसा, ते जंगल आमी कशें म्हणजे आमच्या जाणट्यांनी राखून दवरलेले आसा, हेका रिलेटेड असलेले सॉंग आसा. पयलीं कुमेरी करताले डोंगराचेर, मागीर ते कुमेरी करतना स्टोरीज सांगताले. डोंगर खणोन ते शेत करताले, नाचणी करताले, जावं तांदूळ रोयताले, भात करताले, आणि ते करतना ते गाणी म्हणटाले. ती गाणी आमकां आयजय आयकूंक मेळटा. किंवा आमचे जे एपिक्स असले, रामायण आसा, महाभारत आसा, ते सगळे फुल गावन दाखयताले ते लोक. म्हणजे आयजय असे लोक आसात, गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांनी लोक आसात, काणकोण आसात, केप्यां आसात, सांग्या आसात, पेडण्या आसा, सत्तरीन आसा. आमी जर गेले जाल्यार तेंचे ओठार हे सगळे येद्दे व्हडले ग्रंथ सगळे तेंचे ओठार उरलेले आमकां आयकूंक मेळटा. इतले तेंचे कडेन आसा, आणि सगळ्या झाडांची नांवां तेंकां खबर आसा. म्हणजे सगळे खंयचे औषधी गुण आसा. काणकोण सारखे आषाढी पुनव जे आसा, वेळीप समाजान म्हणजे कोडवा परब म्हणून जाता. ते कोडवा परबाक सगळे म्हणजे रानान वयतात ते सगळ्या तरेच्या झाडांचो पालो काडटात आणि तो शिजयतात. म्हणजे राय शितान घालतात आणि शिजयतात ते, आणि ते खातात ते. म्हणजे दिस इज द इम्युनिटी बिल्डर. म्हणजे आयजय तेंचे चालू आसा. आमी दिवाळेक हे करता, धिल्लो जो आसा, धिल्लो इज अ फोक डान्स ऑफ वेळीप कम्युनिटी. ते धिल्लेक ते माती जी आसा, ते मातीचे गोळे करतात, एक राऊंड शेप करतात आणि तेजे पूजन करतात. म्हणजे ही परंपरा आमच्या धरित्रीशी निगडीत आसा. मदर अर्थ, रिप्रेझेंटेड मदर अर्थ. म्हणजे
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for the insightful discussion also. Has anyone else have any questions? Thanks everyone for joining, and I'm sure I'm going to watch this session once again because it was really, really good. So thanks. Thank you, ma'am, again.